Welcome to Exxat Prism, the all-in-one education software for health science education. With Exxat Prism, you can effortlessly manage student placements, view advisee information, and review learning activities of your associated courses. Once your program invites you to the system, you'll receive an email notification like this one. The communication will include a link for you to activate your account along with the username set up by your school. You'll simply click on the provided link to activate your account. We offer two login options, standard and single sign-on accounts. Standard accounts use a standard login process where you provide your username and password every time you log in. For standard accounts, you'll be prompted to set up a new password following a few guidelines. Remember, your password is important, as you'll need it every time you log in. Once you've set up your password, click Submit. The system will notify you after your password is successfully set up. Then, head over to login.exxat.com, enter your unique username along with your newly created password, and click on Login. You'll then need to accept Exxat's privacy policy and terms of use. Feel free to click on the links to view the full details. Once you accept, you'll be logged into your account. Single sign-on is a user authentication method that allows users to log into multiple applications and websites using one set of credentials. Accounts using SSO verification verify your identity outside of the Exxat system to sign you in and provide you access to the system. For single sign-on accounts, click on the link in the email and you'll be prompted to activate your account. Enter your school's email address. You will then be taken to your school's login page. Log into your school portal and you will be redirected to the Exxat site. You'll then need to accept Exxat's privacy policy and terms of use. Feel free to click on the links to view the full details. Once you accept, you'll be logged into your account. Now that you have successfully activated your Exxat account, let's get familiar with the system. The dashboard is your central hub, presenting all the available options tailored to your needs. The dashboard houses helpful tiles to access different sections of the Exxat system. You can also access these options anytime through the hamburger menu at the top of the page. Check out the School Resources tile to get access to useful documents and training material provided by your program as well as Exxat. To return to the dashboard quickly, click on the dashboard icon. Any important announcements from your program will be listed on the left side of the dashboard page. If you ever need assistance, we provide a few different ways to seek it. You can submit ticket requests via the question icon. Click on the question icon now. Here you can submit a support ticket. For additional assistance, you can access our Exxat YouTube channel or our Help Center using these two buttons. It is also possible to access our Help Center by navigating back to the dashboard and selecting the Exxat Prism Learning Hub tile. Our Learning Hub offers guided video tutorials, recordings of our past webinars, how-to documents, and so much more. For urgent support, email v4support@exxat.com. If you prefer real-time chat, our support team is available to you via our chat feature. Just click on the chat button and a window will open for you to chat with our live support team. We also offer on-demand support through our integrated AI chatbot, Leo. To ask Leo a question, click on the Ask Leo button. You can then select one of the frequently asked questions or ask a new question in the text area provided. Please note that Leo is still learning and therefore please reach out to support if you have any important questions. To view faculty and staff contact information, click on the School Contacts tile on the dashboard. You will be taken to a page listing all the faculty which has enabled their contact information to be shown. In the School Contacts section, you can see faculty and staff members' name, their position or positions, email address, phone number, and any notes they have left for you. On the top of the dashboard, you will also find a megaphone icon. Click the megaphone icon and you will be taken to a page listing all our recent enhancements made to Exxat Prism. Personalize your experience with Exxat Prism by clicking on the drop-down menu next to your name. You can change the color theme to suit your preference and switch between light and dark modes. Additionally, you can manage your password and review the privacy policy and the terms of use. Thank you for watching our faculty navigation tutorial. Please take the time to check out our other useful Exxat Prism tutorials.